Do you want to give your kids the best guilt-free, non-toxic kitchen play set? Do you want to bring back the old traditional play materials which are free from plastics and chemicals? Then definitely natural clay is the ideal material for such miniature cooking and pretend play games. When you check online, the price of miniature kitchen sets made of clay typically ranges between 400 rupees for 12 pieces set and goes up to 1000 rupees for 24 pieces set. Hence, I have managed to make few miniature kitchen set items myself using natural terracotta clay so that I can create n number of pieces, and let me tell you honestly, I had great fun making all these cute miniatures. Since all these are my initial trials, I am sure they are not very perfect, but I am still practicing to make it better. All these are completely handmade and dried indoors in natural sunlight. You would have noticed that these items have two different shades, because I have made the first set using a portion of leftover clay which I already had at home for making few jewelry pieces. The second batch was made using the clay which I purchased online via Amazon, and it cost around 160 rupees. I was much happier with the clay which I bought online because it was much smoother and free from small stones and even dust particles. If you would like to purchase this clay, I shall provide the link in the description box below. Do check out. So next, let me show you what are the miniature items that I attempted to make. First, I tried 3 different type of clay stoves. Let me show it to you. So these are the ones. I haven't baked these items yet. If you want to use it for cooking, then you may have to bake these so that it becomes rigid and doesn't disintegrate when it comes in contact with moisture. You can follow the same terracotta jewelry baking method and get these miniatures baked. I am planning to make few more items and then bake everything together at one stretch. Next one is a traditional clay pot of 2 different sizes. Also, I have made a pot ring stand so that I can place this clay pot firmly on it. And this is the other one, a little bigger in size. This is the first one which I tried to make, and hence it's not so perfect. And this is a dosa tawa. And this one is a paniyaram chatti with 7 holes. And this one is an appa chatti. This is a kind of smaller kadai, which basically we can use for tempering purposes. This is a kind of pan, similar to a non-stick pan with a lid. This is another kadai. This one, actually I was in the idea of making a pressure cooker, but finally it ended up something like this, but it has so much of depth inside, so it will still hold something similar to a pressure pan with a lid. And this is the grinding stone called the ammikal. Also, we have a large sized mortar and pestle. This is the first dosa tawa that I tried to make. It ended up like this, and this is another kadai, a little bigger one. And this you can call it as a bowl or a chatti, and I think this one is little bit perfect. I haven't fixed any handles though, The one which I made the second time, I think it's a little bit better. This is a clay chatti. Next, this is a chapati kallu along with the roller. And this one is another kind of vessel that you can use for placing it on the stove. Both these are like that. Also, you can use it either as a plate. This can be heated. This is a plate, and then I have few small sized bowls, spoons and ladles. I really like this small size spoon, so cute. Surprisingly, it turned out to be perfect. This is a little bigger one. You can also use it as a ladle, that is as a karandi. And this is another bowl. This is the one which I made in the beginning. And this is another one. And this one is a dosa karandi. I really struggled much to bring it to this shape. And this is a kind of cup with a handle that you can use for pouring oil or water or even milk. This is a table which I made, a square shaped table, and it is sturdy. Also, I did try to make a smaller one which is round in shape. And finally, we have this moram. In Tamil they call it as moram, but I'm not sure how it is said in English. This video is just a glimpse of the miniature kitchen set making that I was very excited about. If you would like me to include a making video, then do let me know in the comment section. Hope you all like this video. If in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe and also press the bell button so that you get all the future notifications.